How to view, download, and clear activity history on your Windows PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a quick and simple guide on how to view, download, and clear your activity history on your Windows PC. If you are concerned about your privacy, this video is for you. First, let's talk about what activities history is. Your Windows PC collects various types of data, including your search history, browsing activity, voice commands through Cortana, and even your location history. This information can be useful, but it's important to know how to manage it. Now, let's get started. To view your activity history, head over to the Settings menu, click on Privacy, and then select Activity History. Here, you will see an option to manage your data. Click on Privacy Dashboard and then it will take you to a Microsoft page. Simply log into it and here you can see Browsing and Search. Simply click on Browsing and Search. After that, you can see your browsing history and your search history. Simply, if you want to download your data, click on Download Your Data, and if you want to clear all the activities, click on it. And that's it. Managing your activity history is a great way to take control of your privacy on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.